Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. So today we are going to be doing some close-up swatches of the BH Cosmetics and Mrs. Bella All Eyes on You eyeshadow palette that I picked up recently at TK Maxx. Now I've not hauled it, but I just feel it's pointless over one eyeshadow palette to haul it. I could have hauled it with the Kaleidos one, but I'm just swatching both of them and just telling you that they're new. So that's the outer packaging, and I thought, well, the exact packaging couldn't remember it, could it really, because it had eyeshadows on the packaging, but that's what it looks like. It's very sleek. It just says 8 colour shadow palette, and then that's what it looks like. I have swatched them a little bit. These two here probably aren't for me, and maybe this one, but I really like the rest of the colour story. I'm trying to go out of my comfort zone as well, so I just thought, why not try it? How much did I pay for it? £5.99. I just thought, why not try it for £5.99? TK Maxx, well, my TK Maxx anyway, is normally pretty good, but it's been really slim pickings for makeup, which is probably a good thing. But you'd think this close to Christmas, what, it's 6-7 weeks away from Christmas, that they would have more stock in, so I might have to go to the bigger TK Maxx and see what they've got. Right, so we've got this cream ivory matte, which I'm not going to complain about. I love it when brands put a shade in like that, and that one's called Take Care. Which has got more of a pink undertone. It's literally my skin tone, so it's that one there. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it. I'm going to take the zoom off. So that one there, Take Care, and then the next one is a really nice, like, inner corner highlighter. That one's called Cash. Ooh, look at that, guys. That is absolutely brilliant. Just gonna go in with another swatch. A little bit powdery, but it blends out really nice. So that one's Cash. Then we've got Baby Girl, which is this really nice pink. I do think it's a nice pink. It would make a nice blush as well. But I actually quite like that. I was gonna say I don't normally wear those kind of shades, but I actually quite like that shade. Then we've got Damn, which I actually quite like that shade as well. I didn't think I would like that because it's one of the darkest in the palettes. In the palette, should I say, not in the palettes. Right, so you're witnessing a firework display as well. Just let that pass. You would think... Shut up! You would think we were still on the 5th of November. It's actually the 9th of November. Yes, we get it, you like fireworks. Right, so that one is Damn. So now we're moving on to the bottom row, which is You Wish, which is a really nice rose pink, and that's why I wanted it. Look at that, guys. Oh, that is stunning. So far I've got no complaints on this palette. Then we've got Scorpio. For all you Scorpios out there. Really nice shade there. It's just a little bit deep for my skin tone to use it as a transition shade though. Maybe with a really good fluffy brush it might work. Then we've got Shorty. Really pretty as well. These are really foiled and really metallic. I've never even heard of this palette before. Have you guys? I think they did a face palette as well by it, because I looked on YouTube when I got the palette and I saw that there was a face palette, but I didn't see that in TK Maxx. So that one there is Shorty, and then the next one is called Next. and that's just a purple matte. See, that one is a little bit deep for me. I don't normally wear shades. Yeah, I don't normally wear shades that deep. So that one is next. But I think it would tie in really nice with this shade here, which is called Baby Girl. This shade here, which is called Damn. And then this one on the outer V. So I feel like it is a good palette, but obviously I can't actually tell you that until I've used it. And I've got so many palettes to use. I was telling a friend that I was going to get that BH Cosmetics one, you know, the one that they brought out for Christmas, the £30 one. And I saw Karen Harris do some swatches, and they just look patchy, so I decided against it. And I'm glad that I did decide against it. I'm just bringing a lot of eyeshadow palettes into the collection at the moment, and I don't really need them. I'm getting quite a lot for Christmas, so at the moment I just feel like I want to leave them. And with me working in parcel sorting at work, the boxes and the bags are just making me not want to order. It's like if I never see a box or a bag, I will be completely happy. I mean, I'd be more than happy to go to Boots and get something from there, because we've got a really good selection of products down there now. But to actually order something online and wait for it to come to you, get all stressed about it when it doesn't come to you, yeah, I'm getting all stressed about when it doesn't come to you. I just can't be bothered with it. And the one thing that still hasn't come is that Be Perfect palette. I don't know if I'm just going to cancel the order, ask for my refund, or get them to send me another palette out. I really like the colour story of the Be Perfect Dream Manifest palette, so I will ask them to send it out to me. I think they said that they could do it on special delivery if I've not got it by the 11th, which is actually tomorrow, so that must make today the 10th then. But yeah, we're digressing. This is the beautiful palette. I can zoom in a little bit now on that. It's just absolutely stunning. You're only getting 8 shades, but they're all really pretty. This concludes the video, guys. Thank you so much for watching today. I really do appreciate your time and support on the channel. It means the absolute world to me. Please like, subscribe, share and comment, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.